Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Are you tired of fumbling with those tiny SIM cards every time you travel? Well, today I'm diving into eSIMX, the digital game changer for mobile connectivity. And trust me, you'll want to stick around to the end for a special offer. So what exactly is eSIMX? Think of it as your passport to seamless global connectivity. No more hunting down local SIM cards or paying outrageous roaming fees. With eSIMX, you can activate data plans digitally on the fly, whether you're jet-setting across continents or working remotely from a cozy cafe. Now let's talk about the highlights. First up, convenience. Setting up eSIMX is as easy as pie. Simply download their app, scan a QR code, and bam! You're connected. It's like magic, but real. And the best part? It works on a wide range of devices: smartphones, tablets, even smartwatches. Next, affordability. We all know traveling can burn a hole in your pocket, but eSIMX keeps your data costs in check. They offer competitive plans that won't break the bank, and you can switch networks without any extra charges. That's more money for souvenirs and street food. And let's not forget reliability. eSIMX boasts global coverage, so you're never left in the dark, no matter where you are. Plus, their 24/7 customer support is always ready to jump in and save the day. Other providers might leave you hanging, but not eSIMX. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Users rave about the smooth activation process and the cost savings compared to traditional roaming fees. Sure, there are some minor gripes like limited 5G availability and the lack of prepaid plans. But overall, the feedback is overwhelmingly positive. So if you're a frequent traveler, a digital nomad, or just someone who loves to stay connected without the hassle, eSIMX might just be your new best friend. And remember, clicking the link in the description below gets you a special discount. Who doesn't love a good deal, right? Alright, that's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and reviews. Until next time, stay connected and happy travels. Click on the link in the description below to get your discount on eSIMX today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.